if the question is find, beautifully it should come to your mind that I should not use the regular method, rather I should use the optimal method. Now see here, this is the question. Now I am drafting the answer options for that question, which I drafted in my previous question by mistake. These are the answer options for this particular question. Now see here, sir. Cos theta, sin theta, cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta. Now see here. Again, multiple methodologies for you. You decide which is the best methodologies, which is good enough for you. I don't like cot and tan or whatever it is, because I am very happy with the basic trigonometric functions sin and cos. So cot can be written as cos square by sin square, right? Cos square by sin square minus 1. Again this cot is cos square by sin square plus 1. The denominator is sin square in both the cases. After LCM that will cancel out. You are left in the numerator as cos square minus sin square theta divided by denominator is cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta in the numerator is nothing but cos 2 theta. Denominator cos square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but how much? It is 1. Cos 2 theta by 1 is cos 2 theta. Directly you will get the answer. Otherwise, apply method 2, because it is a question on find and it is not actually dependent on any condition that need to be satisfied. Kindly make use of some standard angles, whichever you like. If I put theta 45, sir, why are you putting theta 45? Why not other angles? Because if I put theta 45, cot 45 is 1. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. 0 by anything will become 0. That means if I put theta 45, I should get the answer as 0. Cos 45 is, substitute in the answer options also. Cos 45 is not 0, ruled out. Sin 45 is not 0, ruled out. Sin of 2 theta, 2 into 45, 90. Sin 90 is not 0, ruled out. Cos 90 is 0. That should be the right answer. Over answer. Either apply by using basic definition of trigonometric function sin and cos, or beautifully in within seconds you will get it by using answer options. When you substitute some values, why will you complicate things? And you should be also smart enough to understand that I should put a value which will simplify my problem faster. Don't put theta value as 60 degrees or 30 degrees, because if I put theta 30 degrees, for example, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, cot 30 is root 3, quad 30 is 3. It is 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 1. Yes, it is not that difficult. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. But instead of using these values, 0 is very faster, right? 1 minus 1 in the numerator becomes 0. 0 by anything is 0. Very fast you will get the answer. Why will you waste your time by substituting some other values of theta? Even though if you substitute, you will still get the same answer. But there is no requirement, there is no necessity. I hope you are able to understand when to substitute, when not to substitute. I believe this idea should be clear for you, sir. Otherwise it becomes very difficult. Don't keep on substituting some values and waste your time. Next question. If it's an if condition, that's okay with me. That's okay. Let us see whether we can substitute. If cos x is equal to 2 cos y minus 1 divided by 2 minus cos y, find the value of tan x by 2 into tan y by 2, sorry, cot y by 2. Find the value of tan x by 2 into cot y by 2. This value I am interested to find. Your options are 0, root 3, 1 by root 3, 1. Now, again a beautiful caselet, sir. Although if it is an if question, there are two angles which are given. If I take some angle for some, put some numerical value for some angle, I will end up getting the other angle. So I can substitute those two angles. Can I say that? Suppose, for example, I will take y as 60 degrees, right? I will take y as 60 degrees. Sir, How will you come to know that y will be 60 degrees? Or yes, you told that you can take any value for y, but still you took 60 itself. Why are you taking 60? How you came to know that 60 is a good number to work with? Very easy, sir, because if I put y value 60 here, cos 60 is half. 2 into half is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. I will make the entire numerator 0. 0 by any number is 0. That means I will simplify my right hand side to become 0. If y is 60, cos x will become 0. Cos x is 0 means x will be 90 degrees. Y is 60 degrees. X is 90 degrees. Substitute. So this is tan of 90 by 2 is 45 into cot of 60 by 2 is 30. Tan 45 is 1. Cot 30 is root 3. 1 into root 3 is root 3 should be the answer. Over. Answer should be getting in seconds. You should get the answer within seconds. Sir, I did not like you taking y value as 60. Can you please prove me that you will get the same answer if you take some other value for y? Take anything, sir. Suppose I will take y 90 degrees. Take any value, whatever you like, please take it. If I take y 90, cos 90 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Right? Minus 1. Here, cos 90 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 0. That means, if y is 90, cos x will be minus half. Right? Cos x will be minus half. Can I say that cos x is minus half means x value will be 120 degrees, right? X is 120, which I also taught you in my allied angles class. X is 120, so tan x by 2 is tan 60, y is 90, so cot y by 2 is cot 45, tan 60 is nothing but root 3, cot 45 is 1, root 3 into 1 is root 3. Will it make any difference in your final answer if you take y 60 or y 90? Definitely no difference. You will end up with the same answer as long as your calculations are not, it is not made any mistake. If you do not make any mistake in calculations, definitely you will end up with the same answer irrespective of x and y values, whatever you take. I hope the idea whatever we are discussing should be very, very clear, sir. Kindly do not complicate things. We already have complicated many things and we don't like to complicate anymore. If, again it's an if question, let it be, that's okay with me. If sin theta is equal to 3 sin theta plus 2 alpha, there are two angles, then find the value of tan of theta plus alpha plus 2 tan alpha. This value I am interested to find, right? Now see here, options 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1. First thing that you should understand is options are in numerical values, not in terms of trigonometric values. So even though if it is an if condition where the condition needs to be satisfied, the best advantage, even though if it is an if condition, the best advantage in this question for me is there are two angles given in the if condition. Whenever there are two angles, take any one angle, substitute as whatever you want, find the other angle, substitute in the question. If I take theta 0, sir, why theta 0? Sin 0 becomes 0 on the left hand side. This 0 alpha is 0. Find the answer, sir. Theta and alpha both are zeros. Tan 0 is 0. Tan alpha is... This is where your expertise in solving a trigonometric questions in your SSC examination or any other examination where trigonometry is there comes into picture. Next one. Now see here, sir. Sure. If the question does not have any angle in our options, if the question does not have any angle in your answer options, then put sin and cos. If it is sin and cos, put the values are 0 or 90 degrees depending on whether it is sin or cos. If it is tan or cot, tan the values are minus 1. If it is secant or cosecant, if it is secant or cosecant, secant or cosecant, I will usually put 45 degrees because secant 45 is root 2, cosecant 45 is also root 2, and these two are equal at this particular value 45. Yes, sine and cos are also equal at that particular value 45, but it is 1 by root 2. It becomes a fractional value, but the best values for sine and cos are theta, 90 or 0 degrees depending on that. But if you have angle in answer options, if you have angles in your answer options, then it can be something like this in the answer options. How to solve this? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, it can be any of these answer options. Angles are present in the answer options, that is one variety. Angles are not at all present in the answer options, that is another variety. We already solved multiple questions where angles are present, and some of the questions where angles are not present also. We have already discussed these two varieties. Now see here, let us continue solving the questions. Listen carefully, sir. Let us continue solving the questions. Suppose, for example, if P is equal to secant theta plus tan theta, if P is equal to secant theta plus tan theta, find the value of P square minus 1 divided by P square plus 1. Your answer options are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta. Sin, cos, tan and cot are your answer options. Now, listen carefully. Can I do like this? Think logically. This is where your expertise comes into picture. Don't write secant theta as, don't write secant theta as 1 by cos, tan as sin by cos, and then write it as 1 plus sin by cos, and then rationalize and keep getting final answer, and then find P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. Instead of doing like that, this question is given in terms of trigonometric functions. Secant and tan are given in this question. That means, can I say that this question is a trigonometric question? That means this question can be applied for a right angle triangle. Trigonometric identities are only applied for a right angle triangle. Now what I will do is, beautiful standard angles or some standard trigonometric functions or trigonometric triplets. For example, 3, 4 and 5. This is an example. Secant theta is reverse, tan theta is. Can I say that if I substitute these three values 3, 4 and 5 in my question or in the condition which is given, I will get my answer as, I will get p value 2. And if I substitute that p value 2 in my question, 2 square minus 1 divided by 2 square plus 1, this finally emerges out to be 3 by 5, right? This finally emerges out to be 3 by 5. Now think logically, sir. What is this 3 by 5? 3 is nothing but my opposite side. 3 is nothing but my opposite side. 5 is nothing but my hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse is which trigonometric function? It is sin theta. Answer is sin theta. Over. Beautiful way of solving problem again, where I am not at all using anything other than basic thing which is there in my mind called as 3, 4, 5 as my Pythagorean triplet. The beautiful way of solving, sir. Kindly comment in the live chat if this methodology is clear for you. I took some random value. Sir, can I take this triplet? 5, 12, 13. Absolutely yes. Can I take some other triplets? 6, 8, 10. Absolutely yes. Take some values of triplets. Find secant and tan, add it. You will get some p value. That p value substitute in the question. You will get some value here. This value, find it out from the diagram. Which trigonometric function it will satisfy? It will satisfy only one trigonometric function. Over your answer. Why are you complicating things, sir? This is another way where I can use a substitution method. I substituted the trigonometric Pythagorean triplets as 3, 4, 5. Because the question is in terms of trigonometry, it should be definitely applicable for a right angled triangle. See the next question. Original question which came in 2012 in mains examination. Right? 2012 mains examination, original question. If, again it's an if condition, that is still okay with me. If A is equal to tan theta minus cot theta and B is equal to sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta, find the value of b square minus 1 whole square into a square plus 4. your answer options, exact values which were given in answer options are 0, 1, 4, 2, right? 0, 1, 4, 2. Now if you observe carefully, the angle answer option does not have angle. I told you 5 minutes before, answer option does not have angles. So the beautiful angle for tan and cot to be substituted is 45 degrees. If I put tan and cot 45 degrees, A will become tan 45 1, cot 45 1, 1 minus 1 0. B will become sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 is 2 by root 2, which is root 2. A value is known, B value is known. Substitute in the question. B square minus 1, 2 minus 1 whole square into A is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. Answer is 4. When you don't have angles in the answer option, for sin and cos make use of 0 or 90 degrees. For tan and cot make use of 45 or 135 degrees. For secant and cosecant make use of 45 degrees. It is not always like this, but in most of the cases these values will satisfy so beautifully. Original question which came in 2012 in your main examination. Again, a similar kind of question, sir. Try to tell this answer very fast. If A is cosecant theta minus sin theta, B is secant theta minus cos theta, find the value of A square B square into A square plus B square plus 3. Options are A is 0, first option. Second option is 1, third option is 2, fourth option is 3. Again, option does not have angle. So cosecant and secant, all those things, best value to put is 45 degrees. If I put 45, A will be cosecant 45 is root 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2. This will be root 2 minus 1 by root 2 is 1 by root 2. B will be secant 45 is okay, cosecant 45, secant 45 is root 2 again, root 2 minus cot 45 is 1 by root 2, again root 2 minus 1 by root 2 is 1 by root 2. Now I need to find this something which is given in the expression. Can I say it as A square minus B square? A square is 1 by 2, B square is also 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. A square plus B square, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1, 1 plus 3. 4 will cancel with 4, you are left with 1. Answer is 1. Anudeep, answer is 1, sir, not 0. Answer should be 1 for this question. You will solve, my students will definitely solve it very fast. And I know the capacity or the capability of my students after listening to so many classes of mine. I believe that it should not be a difficulty for you people. Tell me the answer for this, sir. These are all very, very good questions. If m is equal to secant theta minus cos theta, n is equal to cosecant theta minus sin theta, find the value of m square n to the power of 2 by 3 plus mn square to the power of 2 by 3. Right? 2 by 3 is the power. Options are 0, 1, 2, 3. Again, answer option does not have angle. So secant and cosecant, make use of theta 45 degree, or you can make use of any other thing for that example, sir. Right? So m becomes secant 45 minus cos 45. From the previous problem, same like that, 1 by root 2. N becomes cosecant 45 minus sin 45. Again it is 1 by root 2. Now can I say that m is 1 by root 2, n is also 1 by root 2. So m and n both are equal. So m is equal to n. If I substitute it here, m square into n, but n is equal to m, so it is m cube. M cube to the power of 2 by 3 is what I will get, plus m is equal to m itself, n is also equal to m. M into m square is m cube to the power of 2 by 3. So m cube to the power of 2 by 3 means this power 3 and 3 will get cancelled here. So m square, here also m square. M square plus m square is 2m square. 2m square, but m value is 1 by root 2. 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square. 2 into 1 by 2. It is 1. The idea should be very, very clear for my students. I want to simplify trigonometry to a very larger extent for my students so that they will never find it a difficulty. Wherever I don't have angle in trigonometry, angle in the answer options, make use of standard angles. Suppose, tell me this question answer. Find the value of sin x plus cosecant x whole square, sin x plus cosecant x whole square plus cos x plus secant x whole square minus tan x plus cot x whole square. Tan x plus cot x whole square. Options are 4, 5, 7 and 9. Again the answer option does not have any of the angles. It does not have any of the trigonometric functions. So best thing is, because cosecant and secant are present, make use of 45 degrees. Sin 45 is root 2, right? Sorry, sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cosecant 45 is root 2. So it is 1 by root 2 plus root 2 whole square, right? 1 by root 2 plus root 2 whole square plus cos 45 is again 1 by root 2. Secant 45 is root 2. Again it is 1 by root 2 plus root 2 whole square. And tan 45 is 1. Cot 45 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. So it is minus 4. Now simplify this, sir. Where is the difficulty here? Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 whole square, right? 2 plus 1 whole square is 3 square 9. Root 2 whole square is 4. It is 9 by, sorry, root 2 whole square is 2. It is 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2, which is nothing but 18 by 2, which is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. Over answer. Within seconds. I am very happy that Azam is answering the questions, Purna Chandra is answering the questions. What about other people, sir? Two people out of 105 people are answering the questions before I solve it. And I am very happy for those 2 people. Anudeep also now says it as 5. Very good, sir. Keep rocking, please keep solving that way. Tell me the answer for this. You should be very fast, sir. I am writing step by step for your understanding. You need not write it. You can in fact try solving it in the screen itself. Don't keep on using pen every time. I am using pen because it should not be only my audio communication in the class, but also a visual communication should be there. So that visual is as of now nothing but the writings. If I was present in the screen, that would have been a different scenario. Again, the answer options are not in terms of trigonometric functions or angles. It is in numerical value. Tell me first what should be the answer, sir. It is secant and cosecant. 45 degrees the standard angle. So secant 45 is root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square. Similarly, here cosecant 45 is root 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square. Tan 45 is 1, cot 45 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. The term itself is cancelled. So this becomes root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1. 1 square is also 1. Root 2 whole square is 2. It is 1 minus 2 plus 1. It is 1 minus 2 is what I got. Right, 1 minus 2. Here also, sorry, 1 by 2 is what I got. Here also I will get it as 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 answer is over as 1. I believe that everyone should be very clear, sir. This term called as find the value of will make a lot of difference in your clarification or simplifying problems. A lot. It will make a lot of difference. Even if it is not find, even if it is if condition also, I still told you how you need to tackle these questions very fast. I hope the idea is clear. Next question. See here, sir. Beautiful question. It's an if question. If tan A divided by 1 minus tan A plus cot A divided by 1 minus cot A is equal to some constant called as K. K plus, in fact, K plus tan A plus cot A. Find the value of K. Find the value of K is the question. Options 1, 2, 0, 3. These are the answer options, right? These are the answer options. Now think logically. I told you that If the answer options are in terms of numerical values, the best value to substitute for tan and cot is which one? 45 degrees. But think logically, sir. If I put 45 degrees in this question, tan 45 will become 1. 1 minus 1 will become 0 in the denominator. This makes the denominator 0. Because it is making denominator 0, I will not use it, because anything divided by denominator 0 is nothing but infinite value. So I will not use a as 45. Rather, other value to substitute for a, which I told for tan and cot, is 135. Use it. Your answer is over. Tan 135 is minus 1 divided by 1 minus of tan 135 is minus 1 plus cot 135 is minus 1 divided by 1 minus of minus 1, which is 1 plus 1, is equal to k. Tan 135 is minus 1. Cot 135 is also minus 1. There is only one unknown variable k. Can I say that 1 minus of minus is plus, minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2? It is minus 2 by 2. Right? It is minus 2 by 2. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. K minus 2. So k will be equal to minus 1 plus 2. It is 1. Please make use of 45 degrees and 135 degrees whenever tan and cot are given, if the angle is not in terms of trigonometric functions. Every shortcut I am teaching you, sir, the look and corner of shortcuts you should learn from Anil Nair classes YouTube channel. Otherwise you should quit watching Anil Nair classes YouTube channel if you are looking for traditional stupid all those idiot methodologies which will give in textbook using step-by-step methods, which we are not at all interested. Yes, we do apply step-by-step method, but in that also I told you some shortcuts. That is what is more important. Find means it is so easy, no worries at all. Cot theta divided by cot theta minus cot 3 theta plus tan theta divided by tan theta minus tan 3 theta. I need to find this particular value. Options. Anyway, options you need not get it also. 0, 1, 2 minus 1. 0, 1, 2 minus 1. When it is tan and cot, beautiful angle is theta 45. Put it. Cot 45 is 1. Cot 45 is 1. Cot of 3 into 45. Cot 135 is minus 1. Over answer plus tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 is 1. Tan of 3 into 45. Tan of 135 is minus 1. This is 1 minus of 1 by 1 minus of minus 1 is 1 plus 1 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. What should be the answer, sir? How many questions I have taught you only in substitutions? What else you require, sir? Now see here, very easy, sir. Whenever it is sine or cos, make use of 0 degree or 90 degrees. Suppose if I take theta 0, sine 0 is 0, this entire thing will get 0. Sine 0 is 0, this entire thing will get 0. You are only left in the left hand side as cos 0 is 1 by 1 minus tan 0 is 0 is equal to k on the right hand side. K value is 1. Sir, is it difficult, sir? Is it difficult? I don't think that my students should face any difficulty